Hole-in-One Brainteaser, it's a sliding puzzle. We have a tray, 4 L-shaped piece and the square. We need to place the L-shaped piece in the tray this way. Now next, the square. And the goal is simple. We need to slice the piece in a such way that this piece will be here, in this center. And evidently, we cannot jump. That will be too easy. The way to do it, really easy. Move the piece, the square, on the side. This piece going to go down. This piece going to slide left. The square go up. This piece going to move right. This piece move down. This piece also move down. This piece going to move left. The square go up. This piece going to move up. This piece move to the right. This piece move down. This piece move left. Next, let's see. This piece go up. This piece go up like that. Next, I move this piece here, like that. Next, this piece going to go down. This piece going to move left. Next, the square go down. I can move this piece in the corner. This piece go up. No, I can move the square there. And finally, I move the last two pieces. And we solve one way the puzzle. Now we need to solve the other way around. Donc we need just to bring back this piece here. To do it, very easy, we move these two pieces down. The square going to move here. I bring back this piece. This one move left. The square go up. This piece move right. This piece go up. This piece needs to be bring back here. Mark aside the piece like that. This piece move down and move right. I can bring back this piece up. This piece go left. This piece go down. Square go down. I move this piece right. This piece go up. Next, I move this piece up. Next will be this piece left. Square go down. This piece go down and move on the right. Okay, this piece go up and I bring back in the middle the square. And we have solved the puzzle both ways. If you want to see another fun puzzle, feel free to watch the video on the screen.